traders, we're looking at the DXY. Got this point of interest right here. This was when NFP kicked off on Friday, and we'll come back to this. What I want to do is just quickly go out to the daily time frame. Then I'll give you my top down. I'm always looking at the DXY as a pre-week analysis, as the dollar pairs will be impacted by the US dollar, and as other instruments. As gold, metals, the indices, you name it. So here we have this rally into a key level here. Another key level would be these highs, and then if you're looking for potential targets, look left, and I'll always pick up these, the candle body high or low, because generally around these levels we're going to find liquidity in the form of stop losses or resting stops. So looking at this now, I'm bullish. Okay, we've got this really nice trend happening here. However, I'm not convinced, I'm not totally convinced until we see a break and retest, break, retest and fail of this level. In other words, something like this potentially goes on. Fail here, and then we're off to the races, possibly. This would get me interested. This would get me interested down here as well. Okay, I like this pullback. Bullish. It's overextended. Let's pick up the Fibonacci low to high. Okay, there's your area here, 50 to 618. There's my blue zone. That's a potential entry point long. So that's what I'm seeing on this chart at the moment. The potential for this to continue. However, it could roll over here and die, or it could gain momentum and push through this level here and maintain its bullish trajectory. Why I say that, look, at the moment we see a change in character over here. I think I have it somewhere. CH, there it is. It's trending down, as you can see here, and then we break, something like that. There's a downward trend, and we break structure here. But a true break of market structure for me is going to be a break and retest of this high over here. That would do it. Anyway, we can see that this is now currently bullish. I'm looking for the pullback. Now here's something really interesting to note. Let's just go to a 4-hour chart. I have to bring this up because I'm incredibly suspicious of whoever runs the show. It ranges. We get the fakey shaky very conveniently. This draws in short traders. It builds liquidity. Very convenient for smart money. They wipe out liquidity under here. That's been ranging, so that that's a no-brainer. That's what's been going on here. That's definitely, my pencil's playing up, okay, but just, yeah, you know what that is. So this trades down, it takes out all the stops resting under here. It draws in short traders. Then you see a further build-up of stops up here. That immediately attacks these stops. Stop run right here. Okay, this is fueling, well, this is enabling smart money to pair their orders and build their orders for what? For a buy. All right, so they build this massive pool of liquidity above and below. More stops are set up under here from this rally. Up it goes, back down it comes. It takes out these stops. Incredibly convenient, don't you think? And this is the moment that NFP was released, and then we get that. And they are able to buy up big after all this shenanigans going on prior to this event. No one can convince me that this isn't insider trading at its best, and they get away with it. Anyway, I've said my piece. I can't be convinced otherwise. But anyway, coming back to this, I'm thinking a pullback down in. It's a bullish trend. I have to have the 61.8 or 50 to 61.8 retrace. Something like that would get me interested, and I'm long at that point. There's two ways to approach it. One is to set up a limit buy, risky, and the other way is to wait for, if you're in front of the charts, well, you can sit here, go down to a lower time frame and watch it and look for the base to form, on a 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, then you're looking for the rotation and higher highs and higher lows to form, and that would be a potential entry point. That's my take on the DXY. And as I said, the other currencies are either correlated or inversely correlated. So same thing, pound dollar or euro dollar short, possibly okay, but look for the pullback, the retrace on the euro dollar before you jump in. Okay, Monday, consider the stop run at the beginning of the week. Here we go. I'm just going to draw a candle here. We've got a candle here, a wick above, a wick below. All right, let's just call this a bullish candle. Market opens, retraces, stop run, and then we get our bullish week. Okay, market opens, retraces, stop run. Possibly, it's just a theory, possibly a bullish day or a bullish week. Okay, guys, that's it. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.